Rocky Mountain Climate Heating and Cooling have launched a newly updated preventative HVAC maintenance service. It's particularly aimed at residents looking to ensure the system is running optimally during the coronavirus lockdown. The updated maintenance service has been designed to provide reassurance and help prevent larger problems like system failures. Exceptional service is provided depending on each customer's needs and budget. All air conditioning units should be tuned at least once a year, and a once-a-month checkup service can also be provided. Rocky Mountain Climate provides a range of other services, including a trusted repair service when HVAC systems have failed. Get in touch today to see how they can help you. Check out RockyMountainClimate.com for more info.